Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Gemini for cost basis and tax document downloads, beginner guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the Gemini website. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button. Fill in the required details to create your account. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. After logging in, look for the account section in the main menu. Click on account to access your account settings. In the account settings, locate the tax documents option. Select the tax documents option to proceed. Here, you will see a variety of tax-related resources. Find the area related to cost basis and tax document downloads. You may need to verify your email address if prompted. Check your email for a confirmation message from Gemini. Follow the link in the email to confirm your subscription. Return to your Gemini account once your email is verified. Your subscription for cost basis and tax document downloads is now active. You can download the necessary documents directly from your account dashboard. Make sure to revisit this section each tax season for the latest documents. Now you are ready to manage your tax documents with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.